Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Crafties. They did send me these items, this item for review, so thank you to Crafties. So remarkably, this time I feel like this is the best condition a Crafties box has ever gotten to me, so yay! Probably because I noticed that this went to New Jersey instead of LA. Because sometimes I've noticed when things come, I get the things from certain places. So this is, yeah, see the box seems pretty intact here. So this is from Crafties. They do license their artwork here. And so this one is a little bit different because, assuming I got everything correctly, this should be a square diamond painting. So it does look like they are expanding their horizons to include square diamond painting. So of course I had to try a square out. So here it's the toolkit has 2 sparkly pens with a 3-placer and a 6-placer with blue squishies, angled tweezers, and then 2 plates of wax and 1 white boat. And the drills are in these kind of packets with the individual like packs with the 200. It does look like there is a inventory sheet here. So, oh, and they gave some parchment paper. I'm hoping it's parchment paper because so if you don't, oh, so here it is. It's called Warped Fields by Nicholas Abtan. I don't know. Nicholas Abtan. So I do notice on the website, when I had originally asked for this, they only had a 40 by 50 size, and you could choose squares or rounds, but now I see there's a 50 by 60 size, so you could go bigger. So this is hopefully parchment paper, and so in case you don't want to use the clear paper, you could use these. There's not enough to cover the whole thing, but you could just do half and then move it to the other top. Well, let's make sure. Am I going to regret this? Yeah, it's fine. It's parchment paper. So here it is. This has 34 colors here. It looks like there's no specials, but it does have my favorite legend, the 1, 2, 3, ABC. There. Drill field. I think looks nice. Nice enough. Here. All right, so let's see. Is it a true 40 by 50? Yep, it's 50 by 40. And drills. Why can't I find the opening? There it is. Okay, so it does come with an inventory sheet here. So there's the original image there. It does say Warfields Nicholas Abton, 40 by 50 square. And hopefully I have everything because they stopped checking mark over here. So, or I don't know, maybe someone started and then someone's continued. So let's look at a couple of the colors here. So this is, what is this, 210. They do look like acrylic drills. Some lovely purples here. Lots of purple. Let's look at a non-purple color. Here's some yellow here. Ooh, this one's a pretty color. 9.15. What is this? 3.70. So it looks like I'm gonna have pretty much purples, some yellows, and a little bit of, yeah, just pretty much purples and yellows, and like browns. Ooh, there is some black. Black drills here. And then a smattering of other things. So since this is the first square I've gotten from Crafties, I am likely going to do this soon. Not for this video though. But I did finish my last Crafties, which I will show you. Let's see. But yeah, it does look like they're trying some other things, like putting in the parchment paper, trying the squares. I saw there's a 50 by 60, so they're trying to go bigger. So, oh, and this one is $45.98 on the site. Rounds and squares are the same price. The 50 by 60 is $57.98. So let me move stuff. And I'll show you the other finish. So I did, my last Crafties was this one here. It's the Les Felinis, I don't know how to pronounce it. Someone told me that this is French for the cats by Sybil Art. And it's a 40 by 50 full drill with 28 colors. Rounds with 2 ABs, 2 crystal rhinestones, and 2 glow-in-the-dark. And I thought the rendering was fine. There were guide circles. There was gapping, a little bit of gapping. The canvas was fine. The drills were fine. I did change out some of the rhinestones for the eyes. And I noticed the pink glow drills did not glow as bright as the green ones. And it took me 7 days to complete this, over 15 hours and 20 minutes. So here it is. Let me move you up. Here it is. I think it's cute. Not really the type of image I normally do, but sometimes sometimes, you know, for variety, I do something a little bit outside of what I normally diamond paint. So I did take a picture of the glow in the dark. I tried to video it, but it wasn't showing up as well as when I just took the picture. So I'm going to move this to the side here and then insert the glow in the dark picture here, if my editing does well. So yeah, for whatever reason, I noticed that the pink drills, these green drills glowed in the dark, glowed much more than the pink drills, but they still glowed, the pink drills. I also noticed that, like, it's not, the glow is not instant. It's like you turn off the light and then the glow kind of grows. So it's just, I guess, a different type of glow in the dark drill than the ones I previously had. So I didn't do much of my own blinging, mainly because I thought this had plenty of its own blinging, like the red rhinestones that came with the kit, the green rhinestones, and then there was these blue ABs and then these yellow ABs here. So, and then there was the 2 glow-in-the-dark drills, so I thought that was plenty of bling on its own without me adding it. The only bling I added were to the eyes because I can't help myself, so I did add some rhinestones to the eyes. And there was a lot more confetti in the eyes, but I kind of just did it by eye. Like, I was just kind of like, oh, let's just add some blue here, and I think I did relatively well. I only put in like the 3 colors, the clear AB blue, and then this bluish green color here. I'm not sure if you could tell, but yeah, no, I think this one turned out cute. Like I said, not my normal type of picture, but sometimes, like I said, you have to expand your horizons just so that, I don't know, you're not just diamond painting flowers all the time, because that's what I seem to do. I'm like, man, am I doing another flower? Yes, I am. This one had flowers though, so it worked out. So yeah, let me move you up so you can see everything. So here is my finish for Crafties, and then here is my new diamond painting. So thank you to Crafties for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!